Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a very quick DIY decor item. I was getting a bunch of comments and messages about my small bathroom makeover, and they wanted to see how I did the spare that I had in the bathroom. I'm gonna show you a quick picture of it right now. So I wanted to do something really quick. It's probably going to take no more than 5 minutes to do this, just so you can see how I did it. It's very simple. I have a sphere, and the items are the sphere. I have some rhinestones that I've had from Hobby Lobby. I have some barbecue skewers. Have some barbecue skewers, my glue gun, glue stick, and a plain old knife. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the sphere in half. That's gonna give you this. You can buy them in half shapes as well, but I had 2 in a pack and it was much more cheaper that way. So just cut it in half. That'll even leave you with a second part, so you could do another one if you choose, have matching pairs. And then you take the skewers and literally just stick them in the foam. Stick them at an angle all the way around. And then stick them, and then once you go all the way around, then you could continue to stick them on the insides as well. This would give you more definition. So as you go around, just keep sticking the skewers in there until you fill it out. To the desired look that you're going for. Okay? After you finish putting all your skewers in there, as many as you like, and like I said, for the desired look that you're going for, then you're gonna take this whole thing outside, and then we're gonna spray it with some gold, Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. So I'm gonna continue to put some more in here, and then when I'm finished, I'm gonna go and spray it with some Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. So this is that gold Rust-Oleum spray paint that I was telling you guys about. I just basically took it outside and went ahead and sprayed the whole project with that gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. I didn't do any base coat or spray anything else underneath it. I just used the spray paint by itself. In this clip, what I did was take my hot glue gun and my gems and just put the hot glue on top of the gems on the back side and put it on the tips of the sphere tips. I was having a hard time with the angle, so I'm just self-holding my camera so you guys could see what the gems look like on the tip of the sphere. And once we put our spare up. This is what it looks like in the bathroom. So it gives the bathroom a nice pop off of that accent wall. So this is something that you could do in anywhere in your home, but I decided to put it in this bathroom. Though it's small, it gives it a very nice wow factor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Until my next video, y'all have a great day.